Retro gaming has become a nostalgic journey for many, allowing players to relive the golden days of gaming. From classic arcade experiences to 8-bit adventures, modern technology has made it easier than ever to enjoy these timeless gems. Here, we explore the top 5 retro gaming consoles available today, each offering unique features and a selection of beloved games. Number 1. Anbernic RG351MP. The Anbernic RG351MP is a powerful handheld console that captures the essence of retro gaming with modern enhancements. Sporting a 3.5-inch IPS display and an ergonomic design, this device provides an immersive gaming experience. With a dual-core processor and 1 GB of RAM, it supports a wide range of emulators for systems such as NES, SNES, Sega Genesis, and even PlayStation 1. This console stands out with its aluminum casing, offering durability while keeping a classic aesthetic. Users can load games via microSD cards, making it easy to customize their library. With a robust battery life of up to 6 hours, the RG351MP ensures that you can enjoy your favorite titles without constant recharging. Key features: screen, 3.5-inch IPS display for vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. Build quality, premium aluminum body that enhances durability and style. Emulation support, compatible with various systems, including NES, SNES, Sega Genesis, and PlayStation 1. Storage, expandable storage with microSD card compatibility, allowing you to load countless games. Battery life, lasts up to 6 hours, perfect for long gaming sessions on the go. Number 2. RetroFlag G-Pi Case. The RetroFlag G-Pi case is a unique retro gaming console that transforms a Raspberry Pi into a portable gaming device. This project allows users to recreate the feel of classic Game Boy consoles, complete with a stunning screen and responsive buttons. Designed to house Raspberry Pi Zero and other variants, the G-Pi case is an excellent way for DIY enthusiasts to immerse themselves in retro gaming. With a 2.8-inch display, the G-Pi case delivers sharp graphics and smooth gameplay. It supports multiple emulators, including Game Boy, Game Boy Color, and Sega Game Gear, providing access to a vast library of games. The case also includes a built-in battery and GPIO buttons for easy operation, making it both fun to build and play. Key features: compatibility, specifically designed for Raspberry Pi Zero and other models. Display, 2.8-inch screen that offers clear visuals for classic games. DIY fun, perfect for enthusiasts who enjoy building their own gaming consoles. Emulator support, compatible with various systems like Game Boy and Sega Game Gear. Battery included, comes with a rechargeable battery for portability. Number 3. Sega Genesis Mini. The Sega Genesis Mini is a plug-and-play console that brings back the iconic Sega experience. This compact device comes pre-loaded with 42 classic games, including fan favorites like Sonic the Hedgehog, Street Fighter II, and Castle of Illusion. Designed to mirror the original Sega Genesis, it features a sleek design that appeals to both new players and seasoned veterans. Setting up the Sega Genesis Mini is straightforward. Simply plug it into your TV via HDMI, and you're ready to play. The console comes with 2 USB controllers that emulate the feel of the original gamepads, providing an authentic gaming experience. The Sega Genesis Mini is perfect for family game nights or solo adventures into nostalgia. Key features: game library, pre-loaded with 42 classic titles from the Sega Genesis era. Design, authentic replica of the original Sega Genesis console for nostalgic appeal. Controllers, includes 2 USB controllers for multiplayer gaming. Easy setup, simple HDMI connection to modern TVs for instant play. Compact size, fits easily into any entertainment setup without taking up much space. Number for Nintendo NES Classic Edition. The Nintendo NES Classic Edition is a nostalgic throwback to the 8-bit era of gaming. This miniaturized version of the original NES console comes pre-loaded with 30 classic games, including titles like Super Mario Bros. And The Legend of Zelda. The NES Classic is designed to be user-friendly, allowing both old and new fans to enjoy a slice of gaming history. The console features an HDMI output, making it compatible with modern TVs. Its compact design makes it easy to store, while the included controllers evoke the classic gaming experience. The NES Classic is perfect for individuals looking to introduce younger generations to the games that shaped the industry. Key features. Game selection comes with 30 built-in classic games from the NES library. HDMI output easily connects to modern televisions for optimal viewing. Compact design, small size allows for easy storage and display. Authentic controllers includes 2 controllers that replicate the feel of the original NES gamepads. User-friendly, simple setup and navigation make it accessible for all ages. Number 5 PlayStation Classic. The PlayStation Classic is a tribute to the legendary original PlayStation console that revolutionized gaming in the 90s. This mini console comes with 20 pre-installed games, including iconic titles like Final Fantasy VII and Tekken 3. The compact design mirrors the original PlayStation, making it a perfect addition to any gaming collection. Setting up the PlayStation Classic is as simple as connecting it via HDMI to your TV. The console includes 2 controllers that replicate the classic design, offering a nostalgic gaming experience. With its mix of popular games and classic gameplay, the PlayStation Classic appeals to both veteran gamers and newcomers alike. Key features. Game library features 20 classic titles from the original PlayStation. Compact replica, designed to resemble the original console, offering a nostalgic look. 2 controllers, comes with 2 controllers for multiplayer gaming. HDMI connection easily connects to modern TVs for quick setup. Nostalgic experience, perfect for both longtime fans and new players wanting to explore classic games. Conclusion. Each of these retro gaming consoles offers a unique way to enjoy classic titles and relive cherished gaming memories. Whether you prefer handheld devices like the Anbernic RG351MP or the nostalgic charm of the Sega Genesis Mini, there's something for everyone. Explore these options on Aliexpress and embark on your retro gaming journey today.